welcome to this week's Workshop Wednesdays. I'm going to be going on a bit of a forest walk and showing you some of the really nice wildflowers that you can find that have dried out over winter. I used to get really sad going for walks in winter when I was younger because everything's a bit dead, it's a bit boring, there are no leaves, there's no blooms, no flowers, nothing that pretty. But actually, if you kind of rethink how you look at things, it can be a really nice experience, and you can kind of make a really nice little dried flower bouquet, which is what I'm going to be trying to do today. So this is actually quite a strange time to come for a walk for dried flowers, because we've got a lot of new growth coming in. So you can see some flowers just starting to bloom there. But we've got all the beautiful dried bits from last year, so we're going to try and find some nicer dried bits than this, and that can be the foundation of our bouquet. So I would say definitely avoid uprooting anything. You don't need to do that, you just want to get the tops of plants. I think it's illegal to uproot stuff, so try to avoid that. But you can snap dry bits off really easily, and you can kind of start to appreciate things might not be in bloom, but they've still got a really nice little structure. Kind of trim your ends if you need to, make it a bit prettier. Maybe get rid of that guy. Yeah, nice. Getting the start of something. So here we've got the background or the foundation of our little bouquet. Got lots of lovely cow parsley. Let's see what else we can find. While you're on your little walk, remember to keep an eye out for other cool things you can see. Definitely do not pick these, I'm pretty sure they're poisonous, but they still look really jazzy. Just be super careful when you're handling anything, that you check for any super spiky thorns, little tiny spikes on brambles. They can really hurt. I just got spiked by one, so just be careful with that. I'm going to cut here, and let's do some up here, see if we can pull this out. And you have got yourself little twisty boys. Going to add a little bit of colour, a little bit of bronzy. Not actually sure what this is. It looks like it's a kind of sorrel, but it's very possible that it's not. So we've got some little thistly ones here. They look super spiky, so just be really careful. I've got my tiny nail scissors. I think I'm probably going to go for this branch here, if I can. Ta-da! Take the leaves off so it looks a little bit nicer. And they remind me of tiny little hedgehogs. This is slightly darker wood. That's quite nice for the contrast. Some of these leaves off of these fuzzies, which is their Latin name. And let's go. Oh, I might use scissors for this one. Boop. And they go. Rounding it out really nicely. And that shouldn't go all over your carpet, they seem pretty solid. So one thing I recommend doing in the forest is looking up, because now's the perfect time to see the really nice structural branches that you've got going on that make crazy shapes that are always really fun to look at. Cool, and let's get some of this. Either knapweed or cornflower or something entirely different. It's quite hard to tell when things are dried, but I think that's what's quite interesting, because you can come back in summer and go, oh, that's what it was. Got no idea what it is. It's got a really nice little purpley tinge to it, so I'm going to get another bit of that. I've also got some really nice meadow grasses. I'm always amazed at how tall meadow grass can grow. This is nearly, or actually probably just over 1 metre tall, which is amazing. So we're going to get a few of these, get some of the taller bits. nice and tight. Yes, it does work. I love it. Nice little natural bow. And there you have it, a beautiful dried bouquet, all the rage at the moment for your nice classy vase at home. You can also use some of these dried bits to pop in some paper. I would recommend particularly watching Fern's paper making video from last week, really good. You can use loads of this for that. You can try embroidering it onto a design maybe, or you can just have it as a nice decoration in your home.